Story 11. When I was a child, I asked an illustrious man about puberty. He replied, it is recorded in books that it has 3 signs. First, the age of 15 years, for a male, 13 for a female. Secondly, nocturnal pollutions, keep away from. In Islam, they don't consider sexual things necessarily polluting. And thirdly, sprouting of hair and the pudenda. But in reality, there's only one sign which is sufficient. Thou shouldest seek the approbation of the Most High and Glorious, rather than to be in the bondage of sensual pleasures. And whoever does not entertain this disposition is by erudite men considered not to have attained puberty. And that's what we mean by 30 is the new 12, because finally at 30, your average person in my country finally admits to themselves, well, I guess I'm accountable for my actions now. And anyways, the form of man was attained by a drop of water, which remained 40 days in the womb. If in 40 years it has not attained sense and propriety, it can in reality not be called a man. Virility consists in liberality and amiableness. Think not that it is only in the material figure. Virtue is necessary because the form may be painted in halls with vermilion or verdigris. If a man possesses not excellence and goodness, what is the difference between him and a picture on the wall? It has no virtue to gain the whole world. Gain the heart of one person if thou canst.